An enormous lake bubbling under the hills of Bolivia could help scientists predict when the volcanoes will erupt. Researchers discovered a pool of water dissolved in partially molten rock at a depth of 15 kilometers underneath the sleeping Cerro Uturuncu volcano. They believe that such enormous magma lakes could be hiding under other active volcanic regions, such as in New Zealand, with the mix of water and molten rock triggering eruptions. Scientists discovered the anomaly under Cerro Uturuncu, a dormant volcano on the Bolivian altiplano. They estimate the huge reservoir could have a total volume of as much as 310,600 cubic miles, containing a mass of water equivalent to Lake Superior in North America. But this water is mixed with partially molten rock at temperatures close to 1,000 degrees Celsius. What's more, measurements made at the Bolivian site indicate that there could be between 8 to 10% water dissolved in the silicate rocks. An international team, led by researchers at the University of Bristol, recreated these hellish conditions at a laboratory in France, finding the mixture would be a better conductor of electricity. Professor John Blundy, an earth scientist at the University of Bristol, said this anomaly has a volume of 1.5 million cubic kilometers or more and is characterized by reduced seismic wave speeds and increased electrical conductivity. This indicates the presence of molten rock. The rock is not fully molten, but partially molten. Only about 10 to 20% of the rock is actually liquid. The rest is solid. While the pressure under the Earth's surface ensures the mixture dissolves, when the pressure drops, the water can come out of solution, with potentially dramatic results. Silicate melt can only dissolve water at high pressure. At lower pressure, this water comes out of the solution and forms bubbles, said Professor Blundy. Crucially, these bubbles can drive volcanic eruptions. Professor Fabrice Gaillard at University of Orleans, where the experiments were carried out, explained 10% by weight of dissolved water means that there is 1 molecule of water for every 3 molecules of silicate. This is an extraordinarily large fraction of water, helping to explain why these silicate liquids are so electrically conductive. But the bubbling pool under the Bolivian hills could be more common than thought, with similar lakes of water and molten rock under other regions, such as the volcanic zone under New Zealand. According to the team, understanding how the mix of water in these reservoirs triggers eruptions could help to better predict when a volcano is going to blow.